Let's talk about greediness. Greediness should be there to some extent, not to the extent that you do not know your limit. When you get something, till you get something, what happens is you will be thinking, if I get little, it is enough. But once you enter into it, get the taste of it, you will not feel like leaving it and coming back. So you want more and more. So when that more and more starts, and when you will finish saying, yes, this is enough for me, the content, the self content is something is very, very essential for everybody in life, because there is no end for it. You can keep going and keep going. But whatever you have received or achieved, you need to enjoy the same. It's not like bringing something, putting in your bank, and keep on bringing something and putting in your bank and not enjoying that. Similar to you buy some food, you're putting in your basket, again buying something, putting in your basket, and you're not eating at all. So one day what will happen? It will be wasted. So you have to have a content in life, and you should stop somewhere. You should know where to stop, when to stop, how to stop. So that is what is the ultimate in life. Because people sometimes, in the younger age, during the middle age, till your 60 years, that is retirement age, people will be working. And some people will take up something even after retirement, and they will keep working till their last breath. They will be working. What for? They want to earn money. What for? Earning money is something that you need to enjoy life. You're not living to earn money. You're earning money to live. So whatever is enough, that enough should be understood by everybody. Otherwise, you will not be able to happy, or you will not be able to live your life. There was a rat. It saw some corns in a basket. It was so hungry that it wanted to eat the corns. It made a small hole and entered into the basket, ate some corns, and it was full stomach, and it was trying to come out of the basket. But since after eating the corns, the stomach of the rat became bigger, it was not able to come out of the smaller hole, and it was not able to make a hole from inside. It was crying. It was just waiting for someone to come and help. So it saw some dog crossing the path and asked, like, how will I come out? I wanted to come out. Then the dog said, don't worry, your stomach is full now. Wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow your stomach will shrink. It will get digested, the food, whatever you have taken, and then you can come out. So the rat believed, and it stayed there. The next day, after waking up from the sleep, the rat could sense that the stomach has shrunk, and again it wanted to eat some more. It was feeling hungry. It forgot that it has to come out through the small hole. Again it ate. Then what happened? Again the stomach bloated, and it was not able to come out. So his focus was only to eat and not to escape. It thought, okay, let me do it later. So by that time, what happened? A cat entered into the basket and ate the rat. So this is a story, but still this signifies what we feel in our real life as a human being. So we need to stop somewhere. We need to think that this is enough. That content is what is ultimate in your life. Stay blessed.